Hi there, I'm Carolyn, Trichologist here at Absolique Hair Health Clinic. Today we've got a male hair loss treatment story. Now this one is super interesting. He was 35 years old. He came in describing, typically what we call male pattern thinning. We found that underlying his hair, his actual hair cycle wasn't functioning properly. He was a shift worker under lots of stress. There was a lot going on in life. So we decided to do combination therapy. He did have, as I said, male pattern thinning as well, which was his main concern. Time frame is 4 months. We put together a really base nutrition program. There's a couple of deficiencies there and a topical approach. Now during that time, he also embarked on PRP. Now PRP is platelet-rich plasma. Now there's really good reports about platelet-rich plasma results in combination therapy. Okay, so I haven't seen much result used just on its own, and you need to do it in at least a series of what I'm finding 4 treatments. So in this first 4 months, my client used our treatment, combination therapy topical. He didn't do really well with nutrition because of the shift work, finances, stress, different things going on. So really focused topical, and he'd had 3 PRP treatments, 1 a month over the 3 months in the 4-month time frame. Now we've got to say, we get great results normally, but this was so impressive of how much more hair he achieved by including the PRP in our combination therapy. So after that 4 months, he still had another treatment to go, and we're just waiting to check in at his 8-month mark, and super excited. I mean, I see a lot of these types of results with PRP. We're tracking a lot for you right now, but in combination therapy it works really well. And just a word of warning, if you just use it on its own, and I've seen many people do it, it's super expensive, it's an injection, it can be painful. Make sure you do it in combination and address the underlying causes. If you have low ferritin or a vitamin D deficiency or other things going on, PRP won't fix it. But if we understand what's going on and we're fixing everything else and we add PRP onto it, wow, you get an impressive result. So as always, email me your questions, tell me your story, and let me know how I can help you. My email is info@absolique.com.au.